Ever seen someone type 1337 and wondered if it was a typo? It's not. It's a badge of honor in online culture, and it's called leet speak. Leet speak came from the hacker underground of the 1980s and 90s, a coded language designed to bypass filters and signal insider status. 1337 replaces letters with numbers and symbols. It turns elite into 1337 and hello into H3LL0. It wasn't about grammar, it was about community. In early hacking circles, using leet meant you were in the know. It kept outsiders out and built a culture where style was part of identity. Over time, 1337 evolved from a code into a meme. Gamers adopted it, trolls twisted it, and suddenly everyone online had seen it. Today, leet speak is mostly a joke, but its DNA is everywhere. In internet language, in how we joke, in how we build identity online. So the next time you see 1337, know this: it's not just a weird number. It's a piece of internet history.
Visit Securafy.com for a free cybersecurity assessment or access our library of resources to strengthen your defenses. Stay online and secure anytime, anywhere, on any device.